What is the most important item of export among marine products from India? Shrimp. Which is the example of crater lake? Oregon. Who attended the second roundtable conference as the representative of the Congress? Gandhi ji. What is the Planning Commission? An advisory body. Which is the most unreactive gas? Hydrogen. With the rise of temperature, what happens in the speed of sound in a gas? Increases. Which continent has the lowest birth and death rates? Europe. Which material is very hard and very ductile? Nichrome. What does the last 3 digits of a PIN code represent? Sorting district. Wisdom teeth normally grow during the which age? 17 to 30 years. Who is associated with Tashkent Agreement? Lal Bahadur Shastri. What was the pen name of Bankim Chandra Chattopadhaye? Kamalakant. Which blood vessel is bringing blood into Bowman's capsule? Afferent arteriole. Dhyan Chand is associated with which game? Badminton. Which is the richest source of ascorbic acid? Guava. Which crop requires continuous semiaquatic condition for cultivation? Rice. Which 3 important micronutrients are essential for humans? Copper, zinc and iodine. Which state receives rainfall from northeast monsoons? Tamil Nadu. When a ray of light is going from one medium to another, what is its frequency? Frequency remains same. Which climate best suited for horticulture? Mediterranean. Where did the first ODI match was played in India? Ahmedabad. The Winter Olympic came into being in which year? 1924. Why do coastal Andhra Pradesh and Orissa often face natural disasters? Due to cyclones. Which is the largest public sector bank in India? State Bank of India. How many member countries are there in Commonwealth Nations? 54.